Hey, it's John from Addicted to Blades. Today I'm going to take a look at this knife I got off of TikTok. It was my first purchase there, so I got it for like $3.19 shipped to me. It's all over TikTok. I'm sure you've seen this one. Discount code there. Some specs on it. Got a nicely made leather sheath. Nice snap. Nice sturdy snap on it. Can't really even smell the leather. Barely. It looks, it's like layered, some kind of fake leather. Pretty nice sheath though. Does the job. Has a little belt clip or belt loop there for it. Nice stitching. Seems pretty well made. For $3.19, can hardly pass that up. Got a wooden handle with 3 pins holding together, full tang design. Got like a lanyard loop there, little head knocker there. Kind of a chef's knife. I believe that's what it is, a chef's knife. Got a finger hole there for you to hold it by. You could use this for self-defense or for backyard cutting. See what kind of edge it came with. Yeah, it's razor sharp. Pretty wicked. Nice wicked edge on it. Some like fake hammer marks there from supposedly, I don't know if they said it was hand forged or not, but it's not. Nice thick blade stock. Nice smooth wood handles. No, really, you can feel the edges a little bit from the metal to the wood, but it's not bad. Feels good in the hand. Couldn't pass it up for $3.19 shipped. So thanks for checking it out. See you on the next one.